How does the pre-approval timeline work when you're wanting to buy a house? We're going to find out when we come back. Hey everybody, I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And right here on YouTube, every Thursday, I answer real estate questions. So if you haven't done so already, it would be a great idea to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. It's free, and that way you'll get notified each Thursday when I upload my next real estate video. Now, back to the pre-approval timeline. Now, before I talk about that, I wanted to mention to you my new moving kit program. This thing is awesome. It's designed to save you thousands when you make your next home purchase. So make sure to click on the link below, check that out, and sign up for it. Totally free. It's going to save you a boatload of money when you make your next home purchase. The pre-approval timeline works like this. First, you're going to have a conversation with a loan officer. You're going to tell them about yourself. You're going to tell them about your credit. You're going to tell them about your income and your debts. And then you are going to substantiate all that with documentation. You're going to send them copies of your W-2s, your pay stubs, your bank statements, that sort of thing. And if you have all that stuff prepared, about 2 months worth of it, then you're going to be in good shape, and it will abbreviate your timeline down to minutes. It can take days or weeks if you don't have all that stuff together. So that's how the pre-approval timeline works. Make sure you get pre-qualified, pre-approved before you go out home shopping. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.